Morning, everybody. It is currently a little after 8, like about 5 or 6 minutes past 8. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Happy Sunday, everybody. I am home. I am so happy to finally be like home for one entire day and not having to go anywhere. I really don't want to leave the house. So it is going to be productive in terms of me getting a lot of my editing done for my vlogs, getting schoolwork done because I have a lot of things due this upcoming week, and then I even have another exam on Wednesday. And then also in addition to that, I have final exams the following week, so we're gonna get most of our assignments done, getting all of these things done. So we'll see how things go. So today you're gonna be studying with me and doing schoolwork. Yes, for Vlogmas we have to study. So this is what we're going to use for this new week. We're going to be using the coffee soap, and I'm yet to get the coffee cream, but we are going to be sampling the coffee soap. So we're going to see what it does to my skin, and I will update you. So this is my face after using the coffee soap. I have not put any moisturizer on or anything like that. It actually really did clean my skin well. It got rid of all the excessive dirt and oils. I could actually feel it cleaning my skin. And coffee, some of the benefits of coffee, is really good for anti-aging. If you have like wrinkles under your eyes, it's really great for dark circles. And you all know, the Lord knows that I need something to get rid of those dark circles, because I hardly get rest I've hardly gotten rest within this month or last month and whatnot, so I need to get rid of that. It's really good for like sun damage and on your skin, and it even has like vitamin B30, 3 or something, 13 I believe, that is great against skin cancer. So yeah, you should definitely check out this. I think this coffee soap is working great. I will keep updating you throughout the week. By the way, guys, this video is not sponsored. It's just that I have been using these products for a while. I really love that the owner of Inciter Products actually has a great price range for her products, and it's all natural skincare. So I really love that. Skincare is something that I genuinely love and I really admire. Guys, look at these very cute little mini clothes clips that I found the other day in this Chinese grocery in Roslac. These were only $3, and look at how much you're getting. You actually get the piece of twine with it too. They're so small. I took out 2 already. But look how cute. These are, I think they're supposed to be like a snowman, kind of bubbling. And these are bunnies. They're so cute, right? I mean, look at how cute. So y'all, today was the worst. Is like 25 to 7 right now. I really plan on having a productive day. It was as productive as it could possibly be. I had a little bit of a mental breakdown today because I was so stressed out. I still am. I'm on my bed. I moved from the desk on my bed, and I just trying to figure things out, like how the heck again all these things done. But yeah, this is what my bed looks like. This is the laptop. I have some stuff there. I have this is me. Did a laptop there. I did a laptop there. I have homework books. Yeah, okay. So that's me. So it is around 5 to 11. I am signing off for the day. You would have realized that I actually did not vlog anything really today, and it was because I was really stressed out with how much work I had to do, and I just really couldn't focus on like vlogging and having time to do anything. There's only one other thing that I would have done today, and that is, I'll show you now. I actually got the cute little clips that I was talking about. I came with some twine, so I kind of just like hook it up here and made a cute little inspirational wall and a task wall with all the things that I have to do. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 25 to 5. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. It is going to be an amazing day today. I am and as long as woke up, I am having for the morning my daily dose of vitamin C, which is some reduction because my immune system has been a little bit low because of all the things that I have to do. So I'm getting that done. So everybody, I hope that you have an amazing and very very productive day. You just keep pushing. It is Monday morning. It's the start of the week, so you have to work really really hard and just keep at what you are doing, and you will get through. Okay, even if you're stressed out, just take a moment to breathe, relax yourself, and get back on there and do what you got to do. Okay, we are off to work. It is 10 past 3 in the afternoon. We just had late lunch, which was some nice chicken soup. It tastes good. Love. Like today, I don't know why, but I just feeling to eat, and I just eating and eating. Oh yeah, like I'm not really eating plenty, but I just feeling to eat like any and everything. And this is my snack. This, y'all, this just tastes real good. I really like this. I love like the regular chocolate one, but this kiss with the chocolate berry, actually really really good. Let you go. It's never easy. I'll follow you up below. Your favorite song. Heart on my sleeve. Wait for me. It comes around. The walls are craving and the world keeps turning. Morning loves, it is now after 10. Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas day 10. Yes, day 10. I had a spontaneous little exam during the day, so I could not go to it this morning, and this is me. I signed in late this morning. I'm still not feeling very up to mark and 100% back again, but I've got a lot of work to do. I'm going to school right now. I have a class for 5 to 8, which is a presentation, and then I have a lot of work to prepare for that. That's a good presentation, and then I have a couple of other things to do, so we're going to school today. So let's go. So guys, this is what happened to me today. It is after 11. I was supposed to be in school already. I locked my keys in the car, so now I have to travel to school. Lord have mercy. Wish me luck, people. Hello loves, good night. It is currently, I think it's like after 8 minutes to 9 or so. Today has been a day. Today has been a very pretty much packed day. A lot of things happened today. Right after I vlogged, I told you guys this morning that I was headed to school. Here's what happened. I was looking for my car keys to leave to go to school, of course, and I could not find it. So I was like, okay, where did I put it? So I was really looking, so upset because I really wanted to reach in school earlier. I had a thought, and when I went to the car, I found that I had locked my keys in the car. Yep, I did that. I locked my keys in the car, and I realized that, you know what, I know I have a spare home, but I could not find a spare. So I decided to travel to school. Mind you, today I have a presentation, and I wanted to carry my clothes to get dressed and whatnot. I had 2 laptops on me. I had my handbag, and then I had a little bag with the clothes. So I had to travel with all of that. However, Lord is great. I actually got a car straight from where I live, straight to go to school, and I didn't have to take more than 1 car. So that was great. I traveled today, and it was awesome. Thankfully, Daddy actually found the spare key, and he brought the car for me, so I did not have to travel at night, late in night. That was the next thing. Another thing that happened to me, I went to get coffee in school and I couldn't find my bank card, but I was like, that was like normal. Reaching home, on the way home, I was like, okay, I need gas and I need to get something to eat, so I need to get bread. Lined up to fill gas, and here's what happened. I emptied out my whole bag because I could not. In the back seat, I emptied out one of my little bags because I could not find my wallet. Emptied that out and realized that the wallet was actually in the other bag that I already looked in, only to realize, getting in the car driving up, only to realize I have no bank card. Forgetting that I couldn't find it when I was in school. I didn't have my bank card on me, so I just had to pull aside, and whatever cash that I had to get, I just purchased bread and then headed out. So that was my day. My day was stressful. In addition to that, our presentation, we had to create a video and the files were not working. I was supposed to edit the video because you all know, that's my forte, editing videos, but the video footage was actually not on my phone, so my friend had to send it to me. We tried putting it on a flash drive. It was not opening on my computers. She uploaded it to Google Drives and whatnot, downloaded it, and it was not opening on my computers. All you was hearing was the audio and not seeing any footage. So we had to kind of do it today spontaneously, and it was edited on a phone. And in addition to that, it was not transferring to any computers at all. Class started at 5. Y'all, we went to class after 6 because of all of that, and I was so upset. I was irritated, but yes, things turned out well. So that has been my day. I will end this vlog right here. I will actually try my best to get this edited up at least tomorrow, the latest of tomorrow. Yeah, I will try my best to get it up because I realize this vlog is going on way too long. Y'all, I do apologize that I guess still not doing anything too exciting, but we have some exciting things coming up this weekend. Even though we got a lot to study for because we have exams next week, we have some things coming up, so stay tuned, and I hope that you're still enjoying my vlogs and you will keep watching them. From the bottom of my heart, your phone is a work of art, so just bring out the phone, don't play like you